Hi students, and welcome to Level 2 Beginner. Here you will find this video and a brief overview for the course. Now, to get started in this level, go ahead and click on the frameworks of gamification. So we will be learning about the guru of gamification, Mr. Yu-Kai Chou. He spent the past decade analyzing, tweaking, experimenting, and dedicating his life to gamification. So here's a link to Yu-Kai Chou's Learn Gamification with Him website. So spend about an hour or two exploring this website. Here's what it looks like. This is Yu-Kai Chou. Kind of go through all of these. I have links throughout this week or this module that lead you to these links as well. So just take a while exploring these. This is what his website looks like. So let's head back over here. So I just wanted to talk to you about the challenge or our mission for this level. So you will be exploring Yu-Kai's Octalysis gamification framework, and I will be adding this to our module just for visual so you can reference it easier. But this is his Octalysis framework. He goes through and he describes it in more detail. So just go ahead, it'll probably take you 30 minutes, 45 minutes to read through all this. Most of it is just visuals. So look through that. Now, this level is set up different from the previous level. So this is going to be over the span of the next 14 business or work days. And you will complete Yu-Kai's 14-day challenge. So when you're on his website, if you click New, Start Here, it'll take you to this page. And what we're going to do, you can read through all of this, but you're going to start the 14-day gamification course. So you'll click on this link here and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. It's loading a little slow because there's a video that plays as his background. And you're going to join today. It's absolutely free. You sign up with your email, and each day you sign up right here by entering in your email here in this slot. So each day you'll receive an email from Yu-Kai Chou's, just from Yu-Kai Chou. So make sure you check your junk email, and he'll explain how to do all of this. He'll walk you through it all. Each day you'll get an email, and the first day it'll start out as a reading, just an intro, so there's not much to do. But then after that, each day you'll receive a challenge. So that might be go post something on Facebook. You can sign up for his Facebook page that he has. If not, that's fine. You don't have to do that. Just give me a screenshot and you can just put it into a Word doc or whatever you like. Tweet it. So you'll receive an email from Yu-Kai Chou with a short reading, and then it'll have a task or a challenge for each day. Now here's the important part. After you complete each challenge, you need to take a screenshot of your completed challenge and then add your screenshots, compile them into a PowerPoint or some type of PDF or any other form just to access all of your screenshots easily and efficiently. And so this is how you'll get your grade, and I'll show you where to upload those in just a second. So moving on, our discussion board this week is also going to be a bit different. So this week we're going to be working on a mind map discussion board. So each day you will be adding to a conglomerative mind map. So each day you'll share a thought on that day. It's very brief thoughts. Almost think of them as tweets, just very short, simple. You can discuss your thoughts about the reading or the challenge or just your takeaways. And as you post your discussion for the day, read over a few of your peers' postings and reply to just 1 to 3 of them just by adding additional bubble to their bubble. So I'll show you this in just a second. And whenever you create a bubble, make sure you add your name to the end of it. So for example here, I said blah, 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 Brianna Dunbar. Make sure you add your name because this is how credit will be given to you. Okay, and then also whoever starts or posts the initial first response to a day, you get to choose the bubble color for that day, and everyone else who posts after need to follow that color for the day. So here's what it looks like. If you click on this link or this link, takes you to the same place. You'll have to sign up with an email probably, but no biggie. So you'll get to this. Here's where you'll do your text and color and editing, and you can add little emojis if you want. To get rid of it, simply hit the X and it goes into a side menu. So here you will start your first post at day 1. So to start typing, you click on it and you hit the add an idea bubble. And here you can see a bubble popped up, and then you start typing. I think this is going to be amazing. Okay, whatever. Now, if someone else had posted this, make sure you do your name. Now, say Susie Joe saw this and she wanted to comment on it. You click on what you want to comment on, it highlights it, and then you add to it. Okay, so it's mapping out. All right. So what I mean by the first person to post a response, it's highlighted. You can change the color. Can't see it. Let's say we're going to make it green. There we go. So the bubble colors are going to be right here. You can customize your color. You want to get creative with it, and then everyone else should just follow along with it. It's very simple. All right. So you're going to do day 1, 2, 3 starts over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goes all the way through 14. Just pay attention. And at the very end of day 14, here's your red flag. After you finish this, just give me a brief overview of what you thought it could be about, what you think about the mind map, our discussion, our 14-day challenge, or Yu-Kai Chow's overview framework of gamification. So whatever you feel. And here you'll find the 14-day challenge submission. So like I said earlier, each challenge you need to take a screenshot or just have proof. Don't submit this until you are done with the 14 days. This is a single submission at the end of the 14 days, all right? So please note that there is not a challenge for day 1. That's an introduction to Yu-Kai Chow's 14-day challenge, so there's no challenge. But you can write a brief paragraph, add a mini video clip, tweet, or add a picture with a caption of your initial thoughts or feelings about the 14-day challenge or gamification. And also, each day out of the 14 days, you will be challenged to find a secret code. The first secret code for day 1 is very easy. After that, you have to do a little research on his website, which is just his first website, and you can find it or find information all over the place. Okay. And that should be it. After you submit this, you will have access to level 3. Good luck, students.